Before we start learning the basics for the 3x3 Rubik's Cube, we're going to learn some basic terminology. When you pick up a cube like this, we're going to have letters corresponding to the sides. And it's very common sense. So when you hear, this is the front, so this is F, this is the right, this is R, this is left for L, this is U for up, D for down, and B for back. Also, you must know the pieces. These are the center pieces. And they never move from each other. They're always in the same part. For example, blue will always have green on the opposite, and red will have orange, white will always have yellow. It's always corresponding to each other like that. And these are corner pieces here, and these are edge pieces. So let's get started right away. First thing you need to do is make a cross. A cross would be like that. Now, this is a personal preference of color. I like to start off with white. You can choose any color you want, but for easy to follow along, let's make a white cross. First thing you need to do is find an edge piece with a white in it. So if we look around, there's the one right here. And the color that's with it is red. So what you need to do is find the red center, which is right here. For this, you're going to line it up. You're going to turn the bottom so it lines up. So now you have the red lined up and the white here, and the white centers on top. So you need to turn this front piece 180 degrees till the white's lined up. So now you have white and red. So let's find another piece here. This is already done, the blue and the white. So you need to do is just turn it once up, and now that's lined up. So now you have an orange here. The orange is over here on this side. Now you can do it a few ways. I'm going to show you one way. You can bring it down to the bottom like that, but you move the red out of the way. So you don't worry about it, because when you bring it down to the bottom, you can move the bottom as much as you want without affecting these two top rows. So now you have it here. You can move it all the way over to the orange center so they're in line. And let's fix the red and white back up to the top. So you're still forming the white cross. Now you just formed a line with the orange and the white down here. You can move it 180 degrees up, and now you have this piece. Now I'm going to show you another example if it's in the wrong order, meaning it's in the right spot but orientated incorrectly. So we're going to take it back, for example, like that. Okay? See how the orange, this is in the right position but orientated incorrectly. So it has to be flipped around. Now what you need to do with that is, there's two ways you can do it. You can move it out to one side, moving the bottom, and then bring it up to the side. So now you line up and just rotate it to the top. Okay. Let's say you like that again. Or you can rotate it to the side. You can still, while you're still looking at it, turn it to the top so I can see the white center. I know this piece has to be here, right where this one is right now. So I'm going to replace it. You're going to move the top over so that this piece can replace this section here. See what I did there? So when I want this piece up here, I move this section over here and rotate the right side up. So now it took over, and I rotate the up back. So now this is in a line. Okay? So we'll do that again with the green. See how the green, if I put it over here, the green and white, it's orientated wrong but in the right spot. So I'll bring it up again. I'll bring it from here to the side. Rotate the top so I can put this section up here. Rotate the top back so the green are in alignment. And now we have three sections of the cross. We'll have one more, the blue and the white. The blue's over here. Now let's go do it a different way. Instead of going in here and then turning this piece up, right from here, we can turn it directly up so it's in alignment. So when you have something like this, and the center is over here, you can turn the piece, the edge up, to meet the center. And then rotate it up, and now it's in alignment. But what I just did there, I moved the red out of alignment, but that's okay because it's still aligned. I just moved it down 90 degrees. Let's move it back up. And there you have it, the white cross and the corresponding colors.